What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we have an update on Milady meme coin, which has taken a little bit of a dip. Guys, it has hit a red candle, and over the last 24 hours, even though it is up just about 2%, we can see here it has taken a little bit of a dip. So we're going to be going through what is next for Milady meme coin. It has been performing very well over the last couple of weeks, so has taken a little bit of a break, should I call it, and is it going to pump up any further over the coming days, weeks, months, or is it going to crash back down in value? So we are going to once again cover both buyers and sellers point of view, and also looking at its prediction over the short term and over the long term as well. And we can see it is getting very close to the resistance target here, heading into the green zone, which we'll also cover later on. So before I go any further guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. And also, on the positive note, Bitcoin has hit a new all-time high, guys. Yes, right now it is trading at $67,000, but about an hour ago it did quickly pump up to over $69,000 and took a little bit of a dip down. But yes, it has officially hit a new all-time high, so we should see more increases in value in the crypto market overall over the coming days. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be also using later on to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and as usual, we still have Milady meme coin trading at a higher value than the SMA indicator here in purple, meaning it is still performing quite well and better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange line looking quite bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and they are both looking quite steep, guys, meaning this is not realistic. Only reason they're looking so steep heading downwards is because of the drop that's been taking place and is currently ongoing. However, over the next 12 to 14 hours, I'm expecting it to slowly starting to recover, trading at a higher value than where it is at the moment. Don't get me wrong, it is likely to drop down a little bit further over the coming hours, hit more red candlesticks before it slowly starts to hit green candlesticks later on this afternoon, evening time, and in the early hours of tomorrow, trading at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment, meaning an overall minimal increase in value is what I'm expecting from Milady meme coin over the next 12 to 14 hours. Moving on to the hourly chart here, next couple of days, what can we see here? Again, still got the blue and the orange line looking quite bearish, heading towards a negative direction and looking quite steep. Exact same reason as the previous chart, guys. So once again, this is not realistic due to the fact of how steep it's looking. If I was going to follow what the chart is telling me, I would expect a major crash, which I am not at the moment anyway. So over the next 7 to 8 days, so over the next week or so, I'm expecting Milady meme coin to be trading at a much higher value than where it is at the moment. Don't get me wrong, as I previously mentioned in my previous updates, do expect the odd red day to take place in between, where it's likely to take a little bit of a dip, just like what's happening today. But the overall outcome is what matters, and at this moment in time it does seem to be more on the positive side, so trading at a much higher value than where it is at the moment is where I'm expecting Milady meme coin to be trading at towards the end of this week and early next week as well. Now moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks we have taken quite of a U-turn here. We're looking quite bullish. We've got both the blue and the orange line heading upwards towards the positive direction, meaning an overall increase in value is again expected from Milady meme coin over the next 6 to 8 weeks, so mid to late April, early May. I'm expecting the crypto to be hovering in the green zone, which I will get into later on in the video for those of you guys who don't know what the green zone is. So At the moment, guys, overall increase is what is expected, especially with the major increase that's been taking place over the last couple of weeks. As you guys can see, over the last week itself, it's up nearly 40%, and over the month, over 100% up, guys. So not just Milady meme coin, but majority of the cryptocurrencies are on the green side. So let's bring on the Fibonacci scale here. As you guys can see, we are still trading in the red zone, and we are getting very close to the resistance target, and this is the green zone that I was talking about earlier on in the video. So I'm expecting it to potentially head into the green zone by late March, early April, or even closer. Not even, we don't have to wait until April. Potentially over the coming week or two, it should be able to break out into the green zone. There will be a few days where it gets stuck at the resistance level, because that's the whole point of this line here, is for the crypto to resist for a few days, potentially a few weeks even, depending on the crypto market and how Bitcoin performs. But I'm expecting it to trade at this resistance target for about 2 to 3 days and then break out into the green zone, is what my expectations are at the moment. But I am keeping you guys updated on a daily basis on Milady meme coin, so that you guys can be aware of any changes and keeping the loop on my predictions and takes on the crypto if anything does change. So heading into the coin market cap website here, the trading volume has once again gone up over 100% in the last 24 hours, making it over $22 million in trading, guys, which is again a huge increase in trading. Reason is, yes, the crypto has taken a little bit of a dip. A lot more people are looking to buy the dip right now, and people are also selling it, panic selling it, because it's crashing down. So a lot more people are taking out their profits if they are, and so it's essentially getting a lot of attention from both buyers and sellers point of view. But as I mentioned, I'm expecting it to hit more green candles over the coming days and coming weeks as well, especially that Bitcoin is likely to head over $69,000 as well over the coming days. So this is my take and my prediction on Milady meme coin, guys. Essentially, well, it depends on what you define as a breakout, but yes, I'm expecting potentially a breakout from Milady meme coin over the coming weeks and months as well. And this is a crypto which I have invested into it quite a while back, and I'm still holding on to it. I haven't sold it. For those of you guys who know, I am a long-term holder. So yeah, comment down below your take and your prediction on Milady meme coin. How high and how low are you guys expecting it to go? Are you guys bullish or bearish on this crypto? Comment down below, guys, as I'm very intrigued. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot, and it means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video. And I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.